Understanding stock options, calls versus puts explained in simple terms. Understanding stock options is essential for anyone looking to expand their investment portfolio. Whether you are new to trading or a seasoned investor, knowing the difference between calls and puts can make a significant impact on your trading strategy. Explain the difference between calls and puts and provide practical tips for successful trading. 1. What are stock options and why do they matter? At their core, stock options are contracts granting the holder the privilege to purchase or sell shares of a company at an agreed-upon price, known as the strike price, during a defined period. These financial instruments stand out for their ability to offer strategic flexibility and leverage in investment portfolios. The allure of stock options lies in their potential to amplify gains from stock price movements without necessitating direct ownership of the shares. This characteristic not only enables investors to position themselves favorably in anticipation of market fluctuations, but also serves as a hedge, providing a measure of protection against downturns in the market. 2. The fundamentals of call options explained. A call option represents a financial contract that bestows the investor with the right, yet does not impose the obligation, to acquire a designated stock at a strike price until the expiration date. This type of option is favored by those who speculate an upward trend in the stock's market price. The mechanics of a call option are such that as the stock's price escalates, the value of the call option correspondingly climbs, presenting the investor with the opportunity to capitalize on the difference. The strategic utilization of call options can serve as a powerful mechanism for investors aiming to leverage anticipated market upswings without the need for outright stock ownership, aligning with the broader objective of maximizing returns while adeptly managing risk exposure. 3. Understanding put options and their uses. Put options serve as a strategic financial tool for investors who project a decline in a particular stock's market price. This type of option confers the right, albeit without imposing any obligation, to sell the designated stock at a set strike price before the option expires. The intrinsic value of put options increases as the underlying stock's price diminishes, offering an advantageous position to the holder. This unique feature allows investors to secure a profit in a bearish market by either executing the option at a favorable strike price or trading the option itself at a higher market value. The appeal of put options lies in their capacity to provide investors with a method to speculate on or hedge against potential downturns in stock prices effectively. 4. Key differences between call and put options. At the heart of understanding stock options is grasping the fundamental distinctions between call and put options. These differences pivot primarily around the investor's market perspective and the inherent financial risks and rewards. With call options, the investor is banking on the stock price's ascent, leveraging the potential for substantial gains as the market climbs. Here, the risk is capped at the initial investment, meaning the most an investor can lose is the premium paid for the option, regardless of how far the stock price might fall. Conversely, put options are the strategy of choice for those anticipating a decline in stock prices. 5. Practical tips for trading stock options successfully. To navigate the complexities of trading stock options with success, it's crucial to embark on a journey of continuous education. Delving into the intricacies of options, including various strategies and the risks they entail, forms the foundation of a skilled trader. Crafting a detailed trading plan is indispensable, delineating your financial aspirations, boundaries of risk you're willing to embrace, and predetermined exit strategies for trades. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.